Hello everyone, welcome back to your English class. Today we will begin with a new chapter in English literature, that is The Praying Hands. It's a beautiful story of brotherly love and sacrifice. It's a real story about the world famous painting The Praying Hands, made by the famous painter Albrecht Dürer. Now we will begin with the reading of the chapter. In the 15th century, a goldsmith named Albrecht Dürer the Elder lived in a small village near Nuremberg, a German town. He lived with his wife and 18 children. As the father and the head of the household, and to feed his huge family, he worked almost 18 hours a day. In this stanza, we see that there is a man named Albert Dürer who is a goldsmith and who works for almost 18 hours a day to feed his huge family. He is the head of the family who lives in a small village near Nuremberg with his wife and 18 children. Stanza, despite their seemingly hopeless condition, two of Albrecht Dürer's children had a dream. They were Albert and Albrecht, the latter named after his father. Both brothers wanted to pursue their dream of becoming artists. They wanted to enroll themselves in the School of Art at Nuremberg, but they knew it would be impossible knowing their father's financial condition. After many long discussions at night in their crowded bed, the two boys came up with a प्लान. इस स्टैंजा में हम ये देखते हैं कि उनकी कंडीशन बहुत ही क्रिटिकल थी, होपलेस थी, क्योंकि बहुत लोग थे घर में और कमाने वाले खाली एक ही थे. उनके जो दो बच्चे थे एल्ब्रेक्ट और एल्बर्ट, इनका जो है एक ड्रीम थी. क्या ड्रीम थी? कि ये आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहते थे न्यूरमबर्ग के एक स्कूल में, लेकिन उनकी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन ऐसी नहीं थी कि वो अपने सपने को पूरा कर सकते थे. बहुत देर डिस्कशन करने के बाद दोनों को एक प्लान समझ में आया. Stanza, one night Albrecht said, Albert, I have an idea. Let us toss a coin. The one who wins will go to Nuremberg to study art. Albert, who understood the plan of action, exclaimed at once, Yes, the one who loses will go to the nearby mines and earn a living and help the other to complete his studies. After 4 years, the other brother can स्टडी. इनका प्लान क्या था? इनका प्लान ये था कि एल्ब्रेक्ट जो है कहता है एल्बर्ट से, मेरे पास एक प्लान है, हम एक कॉइन को टॉस करेंगे, जो भी टॉस जीतेगा वो न्यूरमबर्ग में पढ़ने जाएगा और दूसरा जो है क्या करेगा, वो माइंस में जाके काम करेगा, उसके सारे खर्चे उठाएगा उसकी पढ़ाई के लिए. और 4 साल बाद जब पहला वाला पढ़ लेगा तो वो उसके लिए काम करेगा और दूसरा तब वहाँ पे पढ़ने चला जाएगा. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा, द टू ब्रदर्स वर वेरी एक्साइटेड. Albert tossed the coin on a Sunday morning after church. Albrecht won the toss and went off to Nuremberg. Albert went down into the dangerous mines and for the next 4 years earned money for his brother's studies. Very soon, Albrecht's work became very popular and he started earning money. People began to admire his paintings and he became a famous artist. दोनों भाई बहुत एक्साइटेड थे. चर्च से लौटने के बाद क्या हुआ, उन्होंने कॉइन को टॉस किया और इस टॉस में कौन जीता? एल्ब्रेक्ट जीता. और एल्बर्ट कहाँ गया? डेंजरस माइंस में काम करने के लिए चला गया, जिससे उसका भाई जो है पढ़ के वहाँ से आ सके. जल्दी ही एल्ब्रेक्ट जो है बहुत फेमस हो गया और वो पैसे कमाने लगा और लोग उसकी पेंटिंग्स की बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक करने लगे और वो एक फेमस आर्टिस्ट बन गया. Okay students, now you have to go through the chapter, read it carefully, and if you face any difficulty you are free to ask me. We will continue with the remaining story in our next video. Okay, bye bye.